everybody, so today I have done a what I eat in a day video. For those of you that are new to my channel, I've not long had a little boy called Ezra. He is currently 9 weeks old. So yeah, I had him via an emergency C-section, so I haven't really been doing much, obviously, exercising or diet or anything like that. But today I thought I would step on the scales just to see what my weight was up to, and yeah, just kind of go from there really. So I was thinking about doing like a sort of weekly weigh-in kind of series where I do like maybe recipes, workouts, and then just update you with what my weight loss is. Obviously, yeah, obviously I'm not happy with the size that I am. I'm not saying that I'm massive. When I weighed myself today, I was 12 stone 10. So according to my height and my BMI, I'm obviously overweight, and I would like to get down to at least 10.5 if I can. But to be honest, I'm not like, oh my gosh, I'm massive or anything like that. It's just something that I would like to do myself. So I just think if I do these videos weekly, that it will kind of motivate me and yeah, kind of keep me on the right track. So yeah, I just thought I would do little videos to kind of show you what kind of things I eat. Obviously, if you guys have got any meal ideas, let me know and comment below. And then obviously I'm going to slowly start introducing exercise as well into my little series. But yeah, this is my what I eat in a day video, and I hope you enjoy.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to